Today we are going to talk about an energy source. This is combustible ice. Of course, it is not made of water. It is a solid clathrate compound in which a large amount of methane is trapped within a crystal structure of water, forming a solid similar to ice. People give this ice a scientific name, methane clathrate. The chemical formula is MCH4 and H2O.
Compared to other energy sources, methane hydrates have following advantages. Most of the methane hydrates worldwide are distributed in ocean. It is estimated that the methane hydrate resources in ocean are hundreds times than in land. Methane hydrates around the world is about 1.8 billion cubic meters, which is about 1.1 trillion tons. Energy is the hope of future, and methane hydrate is a follow-up energy with great prospects in the 21st century. The amount of carbon in methane hydrates has been proven more than 10 to the power of 30 tons, 2 times higher than that of fossil fuel, which can meet human energy demand for more than 1,000 years in the future. 1 cubic meter of methane hydrates equal to about 160 cubic meters of gas methane. Crystallization forces methane molecules in tightly packed lattice size, which means the methane is compressed. Methane hydrates are regarded as important alternative energy in post-oil age. The only ingredients of methane hydrates are methane and water, so it will not produce pollution like nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxides. Therefore, pollution generated from methane hydrates is much smaller than which from oil, coal, and other traditional energy.
The methane clathrate contains such a huge amount of energy, which can relieve the energy tension in the future. While the way from discovering it to using it commercially is still long, and it needs years to overcome the challenges. One challenge is the leakage of methane. As a greenhouse gas, if it escapes into the air when extracting, an aggravation of greenhouse effect would occur. Another challenge is the immature mining of methane clathrate may cause the collapse of ocean floor. Thus, till 2019, only Canada, China, Japan, and the US have successfully mined methane clathrate in the ocean floor, while they are still in the test stage.
As it is a huge reserve and relatively environmentally friendly resources, government agencies and the petroleum and natural gas industries will all invest their time and finance to research technologies of this new energy supply for exploiting the world. However, these methane hydrate deposits are fragile and still exist a worrisome aspect. Even a small portion of this deposit decompose through natural processes. Astonishing quantities of methane will be set free to exacerbate the greenhouse effect and global warming. The researches on solving the problems that gas escaping from hydrants are continuing. If particle mining techniques are devised, the energy stored in methane hydrates could potentially free our energy-hungry world in the future.